Welcome to the channel. Today's video how to remove cache files on your Mac and keep your past your Mac. First on your computer, and you can see that page. If you have page like that, then you can minimize or you can remove that page. And you can one time click on the screen, not right click, to get the access go button. Then you can click that go button right here and scroll down. You can see that go to folder, click that go to folder. Library caches, you can see library caches user and your name and library caches. Then you can just enter key. It pop up like that. You can see so many that caches file or like that name, and you can see under files like that, but I like to turn that under name like that. Then you can, what you're gonna do, you can all the highlights, then right click, you can move to trash or you can delete. Okay, I'm going to move to trash. Alright, almost done. Then I'm going to trash bin, click trash bin, going to empty. Alright, empty trash. Okay, going to Apple icon, then you have to restart your computer. Okay, you can do like that, and you can fast your computer, keep like that, clean your cache files. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.